Hello students, in this video I am going to analyze one more passage because we are having 5 sessions on passage, comprehension passage. I have taken this passage from your textbook. Passage 5th. Amitabh Bachchan, popularly known as Big B, was born in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh on 11th October 1942. Amitabh is an iconic actor whose career in Indian cinema has spanned 4 decades. His father, Harivansh Roy Bachchan, was a well known Hindi poet. Bachchan was the pen name adopted by the poet, but it has now become the family's surname. Amitabh attended boys' school in Allahabad, followed by Sherwood College in Nainital, and earned a degree in science from Delhi University. His first film was Saath Hindustani, that released in 1969. He became well known as a movie star in 1973 after the success of Abhiman and Janjeer, which were followed by box office success such as Sholay, Amar Akbar Anthony, Trishul, Dawn, and Diwar. He often played the role of an angry young man fighting a corrupt establishment, a theme that had immense appeal in India at that time. In an age when film producers had certain physical norms for the hero, Amitabh was written off due to his unconventional looks, a tall and lanky frame, his deep baritone voice, which is regarded as his biggest asset, once failed to get him a job as a news presenter at All India Radio. The success of Janjeer and Sholay changed all that. The audiences adored his on-scene presence and flair for comedy. Many of his films in the 1970s followed a set formula: a poor childhood, parents murdered or separated after birth, survival through street smart boys, entry of a villain, usually a social oppressor or a smuggler, or his parents' killer, or a long lost father. Some comedy scenes and sad scenes, songs, dances, and action finale, and a dying speech. Critics would regard most of these 1970s films as run of the mill masala movies with creaking plots and poor production values. However, Amitabh's screen presence lifted them to incredible heights of popularity. Amitabh continued making his films all through the 1980s and 1990s, but his movies were not very successful during this period. Industry gossip said that the actor's career had come to an end, but Amitabh proved his critics wrong. In 1999, in a BBC online poll, he was named Superstar of the Millennium. Superstar of the Millennium. In 2000, he was chosen to be the host for Kaun Banega Crorepati, a television game show which became an enormous success. While the show was on, street traffic dropped dramatically, and the restaurants and movie theaters complained of diminishing clientele. Critics were forced to admit that Amitabh could still pull big crowds. The show has recently started airing against similar levels of interest. So, this is passage. There are questions set on it. First question: Amitabh Bachchan was born in. The answer to this question is in the first paragraph. Amitabh was born in Allahabad. Options here given are Varanasi, Allahabad, Lucknow, none of the above. So the answer is Allahabad. Second question: Amitabh Bachchan's father was a or an dash. Hindi poet, English novelist, Urdu satirist, actor. The answer, you can again go to the passage. His father, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, was a well known Hindi poet. Answer is A. Hindi poet. Which of the following is Amitabh Bachchan's first film? In the second para, it's given his first film was Saath Hindustani. Saath Hindustani, that is released in 1969. Here the answers are Abhiman, Sholay, Trishul, Saath Hindustani. So the answer is fourth one, D. Saath Hindustani. Fourth question. Amitabh Bachchan's formulaic films of 1970s were lifted by his voice. By his dash voice, screen presence, storylines, songs. Amitabh's scene presence is audiences adored him on on-screen presence. It's given in the fourth para. It's given screen presence. Answer is B. And the last question is, a BBC online poll named Bachchan as the dash. Options are superstar of the century, superstar of Bollywood, superstar of the millennium, superstar of India. We'll see the answer. In the end, it is given in 2000, in 1919, in a BBC online poll, he was named superstar of the millennium. Superstar of the millennium. Answer is C. So, students, you will find answers to all the passages in answers to all the questions in the passage. You can go back to the passage and you will find the answers. In your exam, you are having 4 1-mark questions and 3 2-mark questions. For 2 marks, you will have to pick 2 or 3 sentences and write in your own. For example, what is Amitabh's childhood? He was born in 1942. He is an iconic actor. His father was Harivansh Rai Bachchan, well-known Hindi poet. And such answers you can write in the exam. So this is the passage. In the next video, I am going to have one more passage for you. This is for 10 marks. That is why we are having 5 sessions on the passage. Thank you.